Good morning and welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. Andito na ulit ngayon ang inyong Ate Jaja for today's vlog. Today ay maggagala kami ni boyfriend. Maggagala in a way na parang road trip siya pero wala kaming certain na destination. And mayroon akong cough drop ngayon kasi grabe beshies, ang sakit ng ulo ko. And Diyos ko, ang sakit ng ulo ko. I'm not sure kung bakit. I think dahil I'm not sure kung bakit pero may dahilan. I'm not sure, but I think it's because of bitin ko tulog. You got it, babe?
Your what?
No. Aww. So, ayun. Hindi ko alam saan pupunta. Pero, syempre, aura is life. Minsan lang tayo lumabas ng bahay ulit. So, itinodo na natin. But, isasama ko kayo sa ating ganap for today's video. So,
maybe we can come back and do a tour another time.
Yeah, hindi sinasabi sa akin ni boyfriend kung saan kami pupunta. But when I saw it, guys, guess where we are? No, I'm so happy! This is the filming location of Prison Break. Michael Scofield. I'm seeing Michael Scofield right there. This is so cool, babe. But babe, they say it's a little scary inside because it's like an old prison.
Yeah, probably.
Oh my gosh. I'm so happy, babe.
They do haunted houses and stuff here.
They do?
Haunted houses and tours.
Oh
yeah,
my gosh.
It's not a prison anymore.
Yeah, but like, I'm so happy. Beshies, oh, this is the filming location of Prison Break. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. I remember the scene when they tried to escape. Oh, so cool. That is so cool, babe. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. Because I love, oh my gosh, yes, that's it, babe. Oh, any Prison Break fans out here, babe, you should really watch that show. Hi, Michael Scofield, I'm here. It's so cool, but also so scary. The vibes and all, it feels creepy. So, beshies, Prison Break is one of my favorite TV series, and I told him once, actually hindi ko alam na sa Chicago pala yung filming location niya, yung prison. So pinanood ko ulit siya kasi bumalik na siya sa Netflix, kasi diba nasa Netflix siya before, tapos tinanggal, tapos bumalik siya. Sabi ko, hala babe, dito pala yung yung prison, yung filming location dito sa Chicago. And then, isang beses kong sinabi sa kanya, hindi niya sinabi sa akin kung saan kami pupunta ngayon. Tapos yun niya ako dinala. I'm so happy. Like, I could feel the energy, which is very creepy. No, it's very creepy. Or maybe it's just cold and gloomy here. That's why I feel that way. But it's so interesting to see that place. Actually, they do the tour inside, but they're currently closed. We'll have to check out the website. Maybe one day we'll do the tour. No? Let's do the tour.
Yeah.
But not the haunted one. I just want the regular tour. of what's the story of that prison, because that is a real prison, beshies. Nung chinek ko din.
It's where they had
Huh?
Al Capone.
Is that true?
Al Capone, the Italian mobster, he was there. John Wayne Gacy, the serial killer, he was there.
Oh, the one you told me. You told me about him.
Yeah, and a lot of other people.
Yeah. I'm getting goosebumps just thinking about it. But it's so cool to see it. Oh my gosh, if you're a Prison Break fan, yeah, I don't want to take a picture with myself there because, you know, that's just creepy. But I just want to see it in real life. And it's so cool. Where are we, babe? Oh, okay. Anyway, so that's it. I'm so happy. I'm so happy I see it. Thanks, babe,
You're welcome.
for remembering. Anyway, that's the ganap for today. It reminds me of the other place where you bought the pizza. Like
Yeah.
the downtown. But this one is the old.
Yeah, this is older. But
Version.
Yeah, it's like right. And that's a nicer, newer downtown area. Many.
Kanina pala, beshes, pumunta yung friend ko, si Ham, sa bahay. So, kasi, ang gusto talaga niya from Pinas is corned beef. So yun,
Head
pumunta siya sa
southwest on
bahay.
Thompson Road
And,
toward Dudley Lane. In a quarter mile, turn right onto 63rd Street.
and meron akong dalang tatlong dalata ng Pure Foods. Oh, yung ganda. Babe, this is beautiful.
Yeah, these are nice.
Yeah. It's pretty. Where is this?
I don't know, it's close by. There's more like this I could show you over by the theater.
Okay.
Yeah, there's nice little condos.
Turn right onto 63rd Street, then use the right lane.
I want small fries.
Small concrete mixture, vanilla concrete mixture.
Yes, just plain
Or
vanilla.
small vanilla custard.
Oh, is that different?
I think the concrete mixture is the
Oh, I don't like the one with a lot of things. Just vanilla.
Just vanilla custard.
And well, yeah, spicy chicken burger.
Spicy chicken. Gotcha.
Thanks, babe. So,
Small fry.
yes, my love. So, yun. Kanina, beshies, pumunta kami. Wait.
We're about to order.
Orderin muna natin siya.
Hi, thank you for choosing Culver's. What can we get started fresh for you?
Hi, can I get a small, like I want just plain vanilla custard, like a concrete mixer, a mini.
And a concrete mixer?
Yeah, just plain vanilla.
Alright, anything else for you?
And can I also get a spicy crispy chicken sandwich? Actually, you can make that too, spicy crispy chicken sandwiches.
Alright, anything else for you?
And then a small fry with that. Then, can I also get a deluxe double with no mayo?
Alright, anything else?
Then a buffalo 4-piece chicken tender with barbecue sauce.
Alright, anything else?
And a medium fry.
Alright, will that be all?
That's it.
Can I have a name? Alright, $40.90 will be your total. We'll see you at the lookout.
Okay. I got your everything, right?
Small fries, spicy chicken burger, and vanilla. Yes! Thanks, my love. So, yun, beshies, ang aming dinner tonight. Actually, meron pa kaming tira na beef broccoli and then chicken adobo, but red days tayo ngayon. So, dapat yung craving ang ating mapagbigyan. So, actually, yung vanilla na ice cream, lalagyan ko siya ng banana. Meron pa kaming saging sa bahay. But, kanina pala, pumunta sa amin si Ham. Kasi gusto talaga niya ng Pure Foods na corned beef. sabi ko, magdadala ako ng 3 delata lang para in case na hindi siya pwede dito or ma-confiscate or what, at least 3 lang yung dala ko. Yung malalaki naman yung dinala ko. But hindi naman siya na question or anything. So, kanina, tumawag siya sa akin. Sabi niya, gusto niyong kuhanin yung corned beef. Sakto naman, marami pa kaming tirang polvoron at saka chocnut. So, binigyan ko na rin siya. And I'm so happy na nakasama ko siya. Actually, maggagala din kami next month. Kasi next month, birthday ko. Tapos, sa March naman, birthday niya. So, sabi ko, mag-celebrate kami together ng mga birthdays namin. So, yun lang naman naging ganap namin ngayon. Tapos, may stepper sa bahay na may stepper. Is it called stepper?
I'm not sure what it's called.
But, yun, yung tinatapakan, para siyang, well, stepper. Let's use the word stepper. So, yun, meron sa bahay. Tapos, yun lang yung ginawa ko buong araw. Actually, sakit pa din ang ulo ko, guys. Itong part na to yung masakit. Para feeling ko, dahil puyat na nga ako, parang 3 araw na ako na 4 hours lang yung tulog. Tapos, medyo nabababad sa cellphone. Kasi nag-e-enjoy ako sa mga pasabay ko. So, yun. Kailangan kong cellphone break ngayong gabi. Hindi ako magsa-cellphone at pipilitin kong matulog na maaga. But, yun, excited na ako sa dinner namin. Anyway, I'll show you guys yung food namin later. So, eto na, beshies, ang aming dinner for tonight. For me, ang request ko ay spicy chicken burger with small fries. And then, meron tayo ditong vanilla ice cream. And, nag-chop si boyfriend ng banana. Kasi yun yung gusto ko na toppings for my ice cream. Ito talaga yung craving ko during red days. And of course, we have tomato ketchup for the french fries. Hi, Beshi. So, this is a next day vlog. Hindi ko na natapos yung vlog ko kahapon or hindi na ako nakapag-outro dahil sobrang sakit talaga ng ulo ko dito sa left side. And kailangan kong uminom ng gamot. So, yung binigay na gamot sa akin ni boyfriend is nighttime, yung mga syrup. Diba uso naman nila yung mga NyQuil, Dayquil, yung mga ganyan. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dun. But, pagkainom ko siya sa kanya, para mga after 30 minutes, antok na antok ako. So, nakatulog na ako ng after ko mag-take ng medicine. Then, nagising ako after 4 hours. Uminom ulit ako ng panibagong gamot. Kasi sabi ko, baka mamaya magkaubo ako. Natatakot ako magkaubo dito, beshes, kasi alam niyo naman, di ba, nakwento ko before na meron akong asthma. So, pag inubo ko, baka mamaya mas lumala pa siya or what. So, yun. Hindi ko na natuloy yung vlog ko. Hindi na ako nakapag-outro. But I'll post and edit this today. So, yun, kahapon, I was very surprised na pumunta kami sa Joliet Prison, which is the filming location of Prison Break. I love Prison Break. I love watching that show. Actually, nire-rewatch ko ulit siya, like what I've mentioned earlier. But, yun, I'm so happy kasi hindi naman, every time na nandito ako, hindi niya sinasabi kung saan kami pupunta. Sinasabi niya lang na may pupuntahan tayo, tapos masusurprise na lang ako kung nasan kami. But, yun lang naman ang chismis ko for today. Dumating na yung order kong memory card and 4 extra films for my Instax camera. So, I'm gonna use it for the entire trip. If may matira man, then that's for another travel. But I'm gonna end my vlog here. I'm going to think of a different vlog for today na i-upload ko sa next day. But thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to hit like and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Follow and like my Facebook and Instagram page. Ang link ay nasa description down below. Stay safe, stay happy, and stay healthy sa inyo at sa inyong buong family. God bless us all and see you on my next vlog. Bye!